Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is mixed fruit cake. You will love every bit of this recipe. Very soft, very sumptuous. Give this recipe a try and you will not regret at all. Therefore, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I beg you consider subscribing, like and share this video. And I want to say thank you to all those who have subscribed. So let's get started. I have soft flour here. I'm going to make use of sugar. I've already grinded it into powder, my vegetable oil, eggs, and I have my fruit here. That is strawberry, frozen strawberry. I have blueberries and dried cranberries. I'm going to make use of apple and lemon, and also salt and my flavors. You can use any flavor of your choice, vanilla or anything, and my milk. So what I'm doing now is I'm measuring 2 of the cups into my strainer. I'm going to strain it. I'll leave the quantities in the description box. That is the list of the ingredients and its quantities. So I just added my baking powder also to it, and I'm straining to get any form of particle out of it. Okay, so we'll set the flour aside, and then I've also cracked my eggs, separated the yolk from the egg white. So I'll pour the egg white into my food processor and I'm going to whisk it. Yes, so I'll be whisking for like 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add lemon juice to it, like 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Yes, and I'll whisk it again. So check the description box for all the ingredients and its quantities, and give this recipe a try. I'll be adding my sugar to it in bits. Yes, nkakra nkakra, and I'll be whisking. So I'll be adding it small and be whisking till everything is done. Please subscribe to this channel for me, okay? Like this video and do well to click on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will be notified. I have other recipes on cakes, so you can check out also and watch it. And try the recipe, you will love it. And so I have my egg yolks. I just added my salt to it. Okay, I'm going to add my flavor. That is butter flavor, just 1 of the lid, and I'm adding pineapple flavor. I'm going to add 2 of the lid, and then I'll whisk everything together. And I'm going to add the juice from the strawberry. Yes, I don't want to waste anything, so I'll add the juice to it, whisk it together. And I'm going to add it to my egg whites. Yes, the egg whites and the sugar. I'm going to add it to it and then whisk it together. You can use your hand whisk to do this. So I'm going to measure 1 cup of the milk and add it to it. And I'll add my vegetable oils also to it. So whisk everything together. So when I'm done, I'm going to pour this and mix it in the bowl. Do my mixing in the bowl. So I'll add my flour to it in small quantities and then mixing it. We are going to mix to get a very smooth running batter. Yes, it has to be very smooth. Okay. Please subscribe, like this video, share this video, leave a comment. Okay. Okay, so when you get it the way you want, yes, the butter is smooth, we are going to add our fruits to it. And the apples, I used 2 medium size. I didn't use the other one, so just added my apples to it. And I'm going to add my berries also, so strawberry. Yes, and then I'll add the dried cranberries and the blueberries or so to 8. Yes. So I'm going to mix everything, and at this point it's okay, it's well mixed. So I'm going to pour it into my cake pan. Make sure that you grease your cake pan with margarine or butter, and then I've lined it with parchment paper. But if you don't have a parchment paper, just sprinkle a little bit of flour after greasing. Yes. So yes, the remaining into my small pan. Okay, so at this point what I'm going to do is sprinkle a little bit of the fruit on top of each of the cakes. Yes, and I'm going to bake this in my gas oven. I'm going to bake it on a medium heat for 30 minutes. Okay, so you can, if you are using an electric oven, then preheat your oven. You can preheat to you can set it to 175 degrees Celsius, and then bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. It depends on how moist or dry you want it. Okay. So just I'm also sprinkle or adding blueberries to it. Yes, I just added strawberries and I'm adding blueberries, and I'm also adding my dried cranberries also to it, and I'm going to bake this. Yes, I'm going to bake it. Okay, so this is it, and we are going to bake. Please like this video for me, subscribe, share and comment. So our cake is ready. Yes, 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 looking all sumptuous. You see, beautiful. So you can pierce it through with a stick or something to check if it's well baked. The inside is well baked, but mine is well baked. So you allow it to cool down, and then we turn it, and this is our cake. Wow, this cake, you will love it. Give it a try. Okay. You see, very soft. Oh, this our fruit cake. You will need to give it a try. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being part of this channel. Thanks for always checking on me. Nana Akosia, thank you for your comments and your likes. I really appreciate it. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video, and watch out for another awesome, sumptuous recipe. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.